She came like wind before the rain, like a gust darkening skies, with a break from the scorching heat, producing calm and soothing sighs. I walk in her, drenched down, taking mud in my feet. Rumbles thunder from her clouds, scaring me though a bit. I look up high, see raindrops falling. My stupid face gives a smile. All this time I've waited for her, when she comes for a while. Life is about chilly winds, scorching heat, economic crops. She's where I escape from life. She's where my heartbeat drops. I cover my face with my hands, sweating rain into it. I finally rest my body somewhere on a place to sit. My arms extended, my legs straight, head behind, eyes closed in bliss. I look above and ask her out, why can't we be together forever just like this?